Welcome back again, our viewers and subscribers. So we have another brand new movie for y'all today. This new one here is called Bad Roommate. Now, if you haven't checked out the other movies yet, they're going across your screen right now. And if you haven't checked out the gospel movie, make sure you check that out, man. We put a lot of work into that one. You know, if you want to help us out, the Cash App is going across your screen right now. Just want to bless up everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day. You know what I mean? We just here putting in the work for y'all, man. You know, we try to keep y'all entertained. Now this movie here is, you know, considered like a semi-comedy. Start to keep y'all laughing from start to finish. But I'm putting in the work, you know, working on my comedy. So Bad Roommate, consider it it's a comedy. You know what I mean? So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this one. Hope you like it. Leave your comment in the comment section below. You know what I'm saying? Be sure to check out my channel because I'm doing interviews with some of your favorite actors and actresses from the west side of Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? Don't want to take up y'all time no more. So just sit back, relax, watch this one with your family. Because you know in a GQ movie, there's never no profanity. You know what I'm saying? We just try to keep it clean. So bless up yourself again and check out this one. Again, it's called Bad Roommate. My name is Christopher Matthews. Now, I live in a nice 2-bedroom house. Now, in case you don't wonder how me live so good, here I go on now. My parents them move got fine. And me, the first time me got fine, when me find out how cool that the place there is, me buy a one-way ticket from foreign, come back to Jamaica, and I never went back. Now me have a room for rent, and you know, like my class, my co-worker, and she finally tell me say she want to take the room. So, let me tell you now, everything went down.
Chris, you in a rush?
No, not really. Never in a rush for you. Oh, go on.
I wanted to ask about the room.
Oh, at the crib?
Yeah. Is it still available?
Yeah. You think you never want it, because you never said nothing to me?
Well, the situation kind of escalated, so kind of need it now.
Okay. Yeah, it's still available. So you'll take it?
Yeah, how soon we can get it?
No, soon. You want to move in tonight?
Tonight, no, but yes, that
Oh.
fast.
Oh, gee. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, man. You ready for you anytime? Just let me know.
All right, I'll give you a text then.
So, you don't want to drive?
No, I'm fine. I'm okay. Thank you.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right, so.
Take care.
Yeah, me see you tomorrow.
All right.
What do you for us? Yeah, man, they are easy, man. Out on the beach walk, I wait for one Christian, man. Long time I wait for one, brother. Yo, me I go and wait on you while I go and see. Can you some have a thing for show me, is it? Alright, big brother.
Well, I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what them want do. Still, I got to stick to my girls like glue when I'm not play number two. I
Brother.
don't know the time it is getting dry. Need a lot of trees up in my
Yo,
head.
you messing the man?
Ah.
What I left for, brother? A long time that's how we paying, bro.
Hold on, man. Puba, hold on, man. Hold on, story time, dog. Story time. You're not going to believe this.
What going on now?
Hold on. Story time, I have to tell you this.
What going on now?
How long are you there?
What 2 hours, brother? I tell me call all frost my youth.
That's not too long. But yo, Puba, remember me not tell you about the bee when we work with? I'm not tell you about? You see him on the man divine.
Yeah, man, I see a little nice girl.
Yo, she finally going to take the room.
Eh?
Yeah. So you don't know what that means. While she moving, then you know, I'll be in like Larry Flynn. How lucky can one guy be? So yo, we still go down at the bar go have a drink?
Yeah, man, we can go and have a drink, man. Can go celebrate, man. Can look like you're so happy, man.
The way me feel right now, I could drink a whole bottle of fever. I could go down there, man.
Man.
So long. After my dad sport place for 8 years, I devoted 8 years out of my life. And I still don't want to come talk to me. Really? 8 years? Yo! 8 years, I did the same, man. Walk up fire me and talk to me and you know, fire me. Melody. 8 years, but then man, come talk to me, but I never mean it for me, but oh, I'm just fed up in a star. It's just come on.
So yo, what do you think? If we move on, me actually I'll give her the big room. God, man, look the girl. So if she move in and she'll be my roommate, I tell me I can't get it? No, dog. If you say the right decision, what do you think? Dog, get on, say nothing. Help me out, man.
Brother, I've tried looking at my head, because what is turning out to be a bad roommate, brother?
Bad roommate?
But I've get a try, so I'm not getting a bad encouragement still, but get a try, man, I see.
Yo, we just think of the perfect setting. At the perfect setting. She move in, and like me say, when she move in, you know, say me I go move in. Yeah.
You have a parent or not?
What do you mean if she a parent? I'm not getting a free room. I'm not freebie. In a New York, them call them something there. Subletting.
Because
Yeah.
watch this. There's no one I want to get them things, them property, and parent, you know. You see me?
I want you have a parent, dog. I don't know free room.
So if I'm only want to low it then, brother.
But me I charge her a little less still, you know what I'm saying? So it's a win-win situation for her. But everything all good, man. Nobody put no doubt in my mind, dog. Tell her.
So let me know it go, man.
Yeah, man.
So when you move in, though?
She tell me, say about it at least Friday. So yo, you ready? I'm feel like me I get drunk. Something about the right rum, bro. You know, it's like I can't manage it no more. You want to try the fever? You ever try it?
At the roommate, I take more still.
Huh?
At the roommate, I take more still. Okay,
No, man. Thing
still.
good,
More
man.
still, man. Is it?
Yeah, man. How the bartender did? Say a word, man. Cool.
No work, you know. It a work pan. Me see them boy have
Bling dog.
get money pan TikTok.
Bling dog. That man I deal with.
But there, I figure out, I try to figure out that something here, isn't me?
How lucky can one guy be? I kissed her and she kissed me. Like the fellow once said, ain't that a kick in the head? Yo, oh what?
How are you, brother?
The happiest man alive,
What you
big
mean,
bro.
brother?
Yo,
On the top of his top of the picture.
yo, dog. You remember the bee we work with? Yo, the bee just tell me say she a take the room.
Wait, she a movie in with you?
She not moving yet, but she tell me, oh, a couple days ago, say, yo, confirm. So you know what that go? If when she moving, then I'll be moving in.
Aye. Yeah, go out the things,
Yeah,
but
bro.
on the top of the picture and stop listening to people argument.
So yo,
I
so
saw
what
this
go on?
wreck.
You call me all hysterical.
Yo, well, while things are going nice on your side and look like flowers are blooming, you know. That's so good enough, boss.
We don't know.
Yeah, I know some of their work yesterday and why? Man, the manager now see eye to eye, you know, and
Kick off?
you can't call it that.
Oh,
I kind of tell him,
jeez.
say, oh, I'm not depend on the foolishness, you see me, and just walk out and then say me if you come back.
All right, hold on. Bling, bling, bling. How far it go? You got mother thing?
Yeah, man, I'm sending you right up all the way up there.
Oh, Jesus. So, I definitely firing thing that. Because once you go mother, you know say
I
firing.
deserve it, you know. I come talk to man like man a picking it.
Okay.
Man a picking big, sir.
8 years gone down the
And them
river.
tell me something nah
Flushed
get
away.
nothing, you know.
Well, that's a story for another day. Once you go mother door, usually you have to deal with that consequence. So anyway, what's the plan moving forward?
Yeah, me not really have a whole heap of things to fall back on, you know, but me there a stroll still and me observe, say, you know, say me see them a do something things on the net and me say me can't do them something, so the influencer thing and that me really gotta take on, you know.
What?
Man a influencer, man. You don't know, like,
Bling, bling, bling,
people
bling.
follow.
Let me tell you so. You know, I said there's like real successful YouTube star or whatever. But it's harder than you think, bro.
How
Believe
hard can
me.
it be? You go up on the screen and say, oh, tap up a picture and send me two of them sitting there.
Listen, man. First of all, you have to find a niche. See? And then come the consistency. You have to create videos that you vlogger, make people start like you become popular.
Then me not like
So
it,
you
man.
get views and
See two people come here, sir. Yeah, tap up a picture, yeah. Yeah, see two people there.
who are you? Myself, you have a long way to go.
Then me no can do all the YouTube thing, man. And start make the money off of the YouTube. And me have to do that turn on the live, you know. I'm start make whole heap of money.
It may look easy, but it's a lot of work. Like me say, you have to find a niche and then you have to be consistent. You can't stop posting, bro.
Me have whole heap of niece. Me not have to worry about that.
No. Niche. 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 I think you have one like over. No. Niche.
Oh, niche. And not niece.
But yo, I'm about to make my exit because you know me have to go clean up the front room.
Alright, bossy.
Give her the bigger room.
Do on the thing, man. Everything, Chris.
Because me know say when she move in there, then I'll be moving in too.
Yes,
So yo,
man. Yes, man.
go and big up yourself, bro.
I dare
Me
go
say?
and do this thing.
I'm gonna link you back now later, yeah?
Alright, my brother.
Alright, go and do your thing, Mr. Bean.
Just, you know, if I hear no word about no work, remember say me there. You see me different, you see me? Yeah,
Got you. You'll be the first to know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
On the top of a picture.
Yeah, divine, so this is it.
Okay.
Yeah. Mikasa, Sukasa.
Oh, thank you. It's very big. It's very spacious.
Yeah, man. So this is the living room. You know, I'm big and show you the kitchen. As you can see, this is the kitchen.
It's so big.
Yeah, man.
Lots of room.
All of our
But it's
space.
nice. It's nice.
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, stove, fridge, microwave, the whole works, you know? Are your place, man? I'm sure you room. I'll get a front room, which is actually the bigger room. I'm around at the back there. It's actually 2 rooms. You know what I mean? Alright, you actually have a bathroom in your room. I'm sure.
Okay, that's nice.
I'm bringing it back. Yeah, man. So this is not divine. Yeah, man.
Oh, whoa, this is big.
This, yeah,
is
man.
very spacious. I like this.
See? Yeah,
I
man.
like this.
I feel your place, man.
So big. Oh my God.
See,
Well,
glad you like it, man. So just go and make yourself comfortable and feel at home, and welcome to the crib. You don't know. A long time that tell you, you know. So see for yourself now.
well, Chris, once again, I appreciate this more than you think. Like, words can't express how much I appreciate this, you know? So thanks.
Yeah, man, you're welcome, man. What about, man? And just go and get yourself situated and me down the hall, so yeah. Me see you in the morning. Anything you need, just give me a holler. Yeah, man. Sir. Hey, Divine. Good morning. How was the first night? You know, make some eggs and red sausage that I always talk about. You know you love them. Everything good? I mean, I say I sat there. So, you know, if you want, we can go walk around on the beach or something. Because, I don't know. Yo, this weird. What want me say? When me and my big mouth, I say something. Make some sausage for you, egg, and walk on the beach. That wasn't too strong. Hey, Divine. Morning. Make some of the red sausage and the egg again, you know. I know you love them, so see there? Nice and fresh for you. Thing good?
I'm fine.
How you have yourself, Chris?
Oh, how are you?
What about that, man? I love them things, you know. The same thing is my favorite thing, you know, man.
You know somebody around there?
Oh, man, Chris, man. I'm name Hype, man.
Hype.
My name Hype, man. Know yourself, man. I just take this guy, don't look like you want this. Big up.
Yo, Pooba. Brother, where you say? Y'all come link me. Dad, come link me, yo. Come have to tell you this. I be things are going over the house. Yeah, brother, I'm there one, man.
So, Chris, how are you going?
Yo, Pooba. Brother. And one piece of crosses me go take up.
Hmm?
With the girl, man, when me move in her room. I don't know what me do. I want from me moving, the bee, she not said nothing to me.
Brother, I'm telling you, man, you say, and I like where you think it must go in a dog. You see me?
Come like
But
a
you have to
goat
try luck
mouth.
still. Man say goat mouth.
I say me move in the bee. Like the next day, she just in like a total different person. I swear to God, I'm not the same girl that me move in the night, wake up in the morning. She just
Probably I rush still, you know. You know something to her, she know something to you? When she move in?
come like you nah hear what me I say Pooba. I know me not even try to make her attempt. Me know sometimes things, you know, a man can come on strong. But me not even say nothing to her. I put her up in the room, we welcome her, we show her the room. Another day, the baby just turn into a total different person. I swear to God. Would I never tell a lie like that. But you are the biggest thing. The girl have all man.
What? No, she bring man come your place?
The girl have man. Brother look like one of them scammer boy there. Me see y'all a gun pan him waist. Dog, like you not even know me I say.
Yo, just I better you just left it alone now, man. I just make you pay her full rent, bro.
What I want?
Make you pay her full rent. And loan and like a half price thing that we are talking about.
Well, man, I don't know.
You see me, this is Jamaica, this is not New York, as you tell me. When they call it a New York,
The subletting thing.
yeah man, leave that alone. And do it the Jamaican way, bro.
I said, I want get rid of that little man.
So how you don't want to do that now?
I don't know. Let me get some info and see if I can even get a picture with him and get back to you.
Yeah man, cause what you know? You know I got it, bro. So anything.
The man I'll name up my breakfast, you know, dog. And I laughing at my face. And them kind of style in the I tell you I go on in that place.
In prime, man.
Bro, I cannot even hear him. Yes. Oh, yo, me keep you up to date, yeah?
Just let me know how I go on, man.
Definitely.
You see me? Cause anything, you know I got it, bro. You know, say, if anything a boy have to come out, a boy have to leave, you see it?
Alright, now say a word, man.
Just link one up in no one.
Now try to see if
Remember,
I can sneak a picture out.
connect me, man.
Ah. Respect again, yeah?
Alright, so you don't know the thing going on. Alright, so let me sit down. So play and them say just talk your mind. That is something say, yeah man, just talk your mind. So I go talk about the hotel. Yeah man, the hotel there in a Negril, you see me? It's up on the west end side, you know, me I tell you about one nice piece of place. You know, me I tell you say, yo man, there the hotel, you know, people. Trust me, you know. Me I give one solid 5 out of 10 still. Me not go around it. Cause I never did like some of the service them still, you know. Some of the service they little bit and set away, you see me? Cause they never want to give me.
Yo, play.
Oh, hold on. So watch out now. I want to know check in the hotel upon West End. Let me see me. Alright.
Yo, bling.
Yo, hold on. Remember now, you know, like, share and subscribe. Forward now.
Go here the vlog.
Yeah, man, you don't know me. I talk to the people, let me see me. Them send some money for me. I tell them about one hotel when you go over West End, whenever they really go still, them just that tell them about it for try make them send some money so I can go.
So how it go?
Boy, I don't know, I don't see no money yet.
Let me see your channel.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, talk about money.
See that man, active man. Yeah.
You can't get money like that, dog.
What you mean?
You only have 3 subscribers.
So not enough that.
Link. A good thing. I don't blame them because I'm not telling you, go look at work, John Crow. Yo,
Go on.
I don't say work. You need at least, I think, 1,000 subscribers.
1,000?
Yeah. And what if I watch hour? B, like me tell you before, them thing yeah, people want to hear some gossipy kind of story. Yeah, I don't say work. You have to cut out, and everybody can do that vlogging something there.
Someone no can 10% talk to people, man, 1,000 people come through.
You need some juicy story, dog. But yo, to get that for a while, I'm going to tell you my little dilemma, dog, because big things are going on.
Hold on. Before you go into all of that, you're supposed to start from the good part. Start from the juicy part, brother. Which part you're there and your bingo and everything are going good. That's somewhere you start from. Give me some good news.
Bingo? Wish me didn't make it to the bingo shop. Bro, from a moving the beat, the girl now chat to me.
Allah ya.
I swear, you know me never tell a lie. Overnight, the girl turned into one complete different person.
Allah ya.
Bling, listen to me. The girl all have man in there.
Allah ya.
Man are sleeping there already. Almost a fool, man.
Allah ya.
Me did it. Cook all breakfast for the girl, you know.
Yeah.
But she tell me she like the red sausage them. So me, you know, like an idiot, watch me. Egg, red sausage and slice me, slice out some bread with it. You not even look for me. Not even say dog cure out.
Allah ya.
When me look, yeah, one of them tuggy. Dog, them still walk out. All that beef in my chest. Near man for my food.
Allah ya.
Yeah, she look like them scammer boy there. I know say a bad boy to come see having 45 9 ways.
Allah, yeah, tell in your house.
In my house.
Allah, yeah,
I
tell.
don't know what kind of crosses we gonna take up on myself, brother.
You know, say.
Feel like I'll try to get out that girl there, man. What do you think?
So hold on there. You did, what kind of contract you did go in with her? You sign a lease agreement?
You know, me did sign something though.
For hold on.
Out a year.
Allah, yeah, tell.
Wish I lie me that tell.
No, so close and
Can't get out of it, don't.
You can't. Boy, I mean, no, forgot. You have to go back to your lawyer with this. Yeah, man, kind of simple something that once you sign off on this for 1 whole year. No, brother, if you try breach, you would have be breaching the contract if you're going to try kick her out right now. And you would have to go pay some money.
So, now my grandmother, them, give me the place.
Yes, but brother, you sign on a lease agreement, big man.
Jamaica this.
Yeah, a Jamaica this. So you think the law them not apply out at all?
I know, I think you push her out with their suitcase anytime.
I don't get to settings this, brother. That a jungle justice settings. And that you depa. You do the thing the legal way to get her in, you have to do it the legal way to get her out. So you have to go back to your lawyer and ask him if he put no loophole in the clause then. To see if him can, jump through 2 hoops and set it up for you. The only way that you can get help in a brother.
I made that hurt me.
Why? I don't know what else to tell you, but I lie, yeah, tell.
Alright, I'll say how it.
Yeah, man.
Now start out to make you know.
Big up yourself, because I go and work on that something here. Face 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, 1,000 subscribers. I remember telling them people love juicy stories, dog. I'm like a vlogging something and I'm gonna work, like.
What kind of story they love?
Gossip. Stop for hot. You see me?
Alright. You know some fine one?
Alright,
Some fine one, Once upon a time.
Oh, Chris, you go and good, Yeah, man. No boy, you deal with things, Chris. Hey, you know, brother. Oh, say brother, so man. Brother, right, yeah, so. Yeah, man, you go and good, Chris, man. Next time you just want some cocoa tea,
Brother, you're moving now.
Don't worry about that, man. Yeah, Why? I like that place, sir. Like them are just fry, man. Just fry, steamy, hot. As I say, I just saw tea. Some tea that one. You have them, man. You wash up them, man. I work your bread too. I mean, up on a fast move. Yeah, move so, Chris, man. Big up yourself, man.
Hey, Divine. You know what we are doing next Saturday? Cook some soup. I wonder if you want some.
No.
Hey, Divine, did I do something? Did I say something to you? Yo, Bling. I tell you, bro, it's a weird thing I go on over the crib. Still nothing. Oh, what kind of cross is this, bro? Yeah, man, me chat to you.
Jesus Christ. You good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Need anything for drink?
No, I'm alright. So everybody reach already?
No, I just married today.
Okay.
But I guess it's gonna be a long night.
Yo, Pooba, you there home? Come here, come give you a link, you know. Cause brother, me all a link my lawyer and I tell me say, man, my great gonna find dog. I be things are going brother, you don't even know. I come give you a shout, man.
Yo, Pooba.
Yeah,
Man, I deal it.
and there, man, I pray.
Man, I tell it, bro. Nothing good, nothing good.
Ah, dude.
Yo, nothing better over that there was, bro.
What am I gonna know?
What kind of cross go take up? Like me not tell you before, nothing change. Bro, I don't know what going on over there, so.
The
Crosses me go pick up on myself, you know.
Judge of God.
Right now, I see people are go in and out at it.
In your place?
In and out.
So, I wonder if I put them really in that place.
Why I don't know?
You know, you have to find a way to find out how I go and sell. I'm not
Yeah,
like
see.
come here sell.
They have to go in there, go in there.
Yeah, man, I your place, man. Yeah, so, you know, a lawyer sell now, me can hook up on, you know.
Hey, where's your name again?
It's a liar, man.
It's a liar?
Yeah, man.
The liar name is a liar?
Yeah, man. It's a good liar, man.
Can I name that?
Just believe in him, man. He can do the right thing for you, man. Is it?
I'm gonna link him, man.
Yeah, man. I give him
I
number.
forget the girl out there. So,
Yeah. I don't like come here still, bro. Swear. I don't like come here.
Yo,
Is it, man?
I forgot to find out what
Just
going
hook him up,
on.
man.
I'll link him up.
I send him up on the WhatsApp.
Ah,
Just hook him up and let me know how I'm going. Is it?
alright.
If
So
anything, we do it the other way, still, isn't it?
yeah. Alright.
Yeah, man.
It's a liar.
Yeah, man, how you doing, sir?
Oh, good, man. I thought he was at the office.
This is my office.
This is the office?
Yeah, don't judge a book by the cover, and I win cases.
Okay, yeah, my virgin Pooba. Give me the number.
Okay, yeah, man. I did some work for him, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So what can I do for you now?
I have a situation, you know. I'm moving a tenant, like a renter a room. But it's like, no, I want her out. You know, it's not working out. She's going with a bag of things over the room. So may I ask you, what's the policy? If we can just get her out. Need her out. No, not tomorrow, not yesterday, today, no.
Okay,
You know
all
me, I
right. So,
say?
question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You and she have a lease agreement, right?
Yeah, me did sign something with her, you know. Like a year.
Okay. All right. So here's what I can do for you. Normally, you know, I normally charge 400,000.
400,000? Is that liar? By the time she done parent the whole year, it not gonna cost me 400,000.
Yeah, man. But here's what I can do for you. As I said, it's normally 400,000 I charge, but because of your friend Pooba, I'll just take 3 from you.
3? Why is this? Because they signed the contract, that's why it's that?
Listen, man.
Can't just get her out.
You want her out, or you want her in, or you want her out?
I want her out, sir.
All right. So here's what I can do for you, man.
Hmm.
I can look at the contract and see if there's any loophole I can use to get her out for you. And also, don't forget the money part, you know.
Okay, alright. Why, Mr. Liar? I never knew this was gonna cost too much. I never even know this was gonna come down to this. I made a mistake putting this girl in my house, man.
Yeah, man, that is it, man. You have to think before you put all sort of hooligan in your house, you know?
I tell you.
Yes. But just work on it and then reach out back to me, alright?
Alright, Mr. Liar.
Alright.
Thank you for seeing.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Pooba. Yeah, me go see Mr. Liar, you know. That now work out doing no brother. The man want whole for money, dog. So yo, what I gotta do now, man? Brother, just link up your bedroom and get rid of the boy for me, man. Cause me feel that the boy influence the girl. You know me, I say once we get rid of the boy, yeah man, me know say things are go better, man. So just angle your cangle, yeah? And let me know.
It fits them I use, bro. Yeah, a better quality, man. Yeah, just when I pop filter, you don't have to buy it differently. And you can get that in a Jamaica, yeah, so.
Yo, Frost. This woman just say a while ago. I see him boy man off the page, man. I go and keep an eye upon him, man. You see me? Cause watch you know. We off the page boy now. So I want to keep an eye upon him. You see it? Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me I can link you, man. Alright, brother. Me I go and watch him and see him when the pun. Alright.
Oh, that Pova.
Oh, go on, Frost.
That one, oh, you're not tapping on my phone, brother. How go on?
So, dog, you remember I look at thing for me, I tell you for me, dog, for David.
Oh, remember that, man. So how go on? What about it?
You know, so, you know, so I'm going to scoop out the dog today, brother.
Mm.
I know everything about him. Everywhere he go. Everything me I tell, brother. All intel, bro.
So you want with
What I got in bed, everything, brother.
So what you want with do?
Brother, I'm a PH boy, dog. PH boy make you know what time it is, dog. You see it?
You said the word, man. You know, so I'm ready anytime, you know, man.
So what you know? What you want now? You have the tool?
Me never have the tool, brother. What you mean?
Just make sure you have the tool now, dog. Cause if anything I dirt, I'm going to dirty, man, brother.
What you mean? Me ready anytime.
Yeah, man. I can know what time it is, dog. Cause some boy I want this my friend, dog. You see it?
Nobody can this with friend, brother. You mad? You know, so me dark already. Anything or anything, man. From a dirt to dirt, bro.
Yeah, dog. Cause boy forget dirt, dog. You see me? But watch out, bro. I'll make you know what time it is, dog. You see it?
At least
I'll
that,
line
man.
up the thing and make you know the date when I go to the must, dog. You see it?
I mean,
Make you know
man.
what time it is for you see it?
Anytime, man.
Yeah, man,
You
I
just
connect you,
look
man.
out your eye, them. I see it.
Keep your bird palm ringing, not vibrate,
I
here.
mean, you say up, man.
Alright.
I definitely live here. You can't tell me nothing. Right. You can't tell me start moving out money in here. Independence. Nah, stand for this.
No? So what's going on?
And that's
Really? Mm-hmm. No? Not really. But I was saying, like, what you guys up to for tonight? No, all of y'all can come, because you don't know the settings already. Everyone's invited. Exactly. We never like the door, yeah. No, nothing. It's fine. We just did a check something. So yeah, what on for tonight? Right. Okay, you could text her and ask. Right, just everybody can come through. Yeah, man, that's cool. Okay. No, cause remember, me I go back on the road. Me just I come forget the t-shirts. Which color in the same ones again? Okay, I think Indy left the green one. Oh, just the green one? And bring the... Alright, nobody bring the... Alright, cool. Me I come now. Okay? Alright.
I pray.
I did father.
There, man.
By the way, this a long man, you look all that's how wait for your dog.
Don't worry about that, man. Me there, I see me, alright?
Dog, I right time to your dog, cause the boy passed you, said, them a time, my brother. So, you bring a tool?
I mean, man, I'm for left that. Yeah, man.
Shit, I never bring a gun war dog. I think you have a gun bad man.
One swing, man, hand drop.
So you tell me you have a tool, I think a gun you have bad man, you want to bring more shit, dog.
So no weapon, brother. This can protect we, you know. Alright, then I put you up in the camera and you see it, you know.
You dog.
So how long me I go out
Yeah,
so
see
far?
more than dog.
I'm not.
Yeah, so watch you know? Yeah, I go some time, I go see you see it.
Alright.
Boy, yeah.
Oh, man, boy.
Yo, Frost! I want to go on, dog. Brother, where boy come from, dog? Yo! Brother, where boy come from, brother? Dog! Yo, brother! Yo, where boy come from? Dog! Brother, what go on? Where boy come from? Brother, where boy come from, bad man? Yo! You know that man, mash up my youth. Dog, I should even know you. Who must fall about there, dog, man? Mash up. Yo! Frost! Yo! I know, dog.
So, dog, how you say go on? How you go?
Well, me I tell you, bro, it's a sad story.
Hmm?
I want to tell you, say, yo, half a boy upon the ground, you know. I think you dog bring in tool, come, brother. I'm looking at some mushy to dog jaw, bro.
More shit. In a 2025. Where that I go?
I want to tell you, say, you know, when I rush the boy, no, brother. Circle boy, I don't know where the boy pull up on my boy.
I lie.
Mash up him on, no, brother. Right now, brother in the hospital right now, no, bro.
Oh, man. So I mash him up bad?
Bad, brother. So right now, you are going on, no? I want to tell you, say, no, bro, you have to give me a piece of money still, no, because the dog in the hospital mash up, you know. In a critical condition, bro, me I tell you.
Ah, yeah,
Kind
man.
of
Make you
pain
get
me
that.
out still. Pain me out.
Yeah, man, I feel, man. Sorry about that. I think that's a real step on, man. Why are you a soldier?
Man, things having tool, bro. I couldn't believe so much with him on job, bro. But couldn't fail the mission. I couldn't try to fail the mission, bro.
Why are you a fool, man?
If I just try it, but then I become a failure, bro. You see it?
Alright, now give them money so you can take it. See, this thing will cost me. That turn out in a nightmare. And the girl still there in that place.
I tell you, watch you, man. Just stay far from the body. Because look at the body, I want to murder and still, you see it?
Yeah.
Stay far from him.
That me I think too now, yo. The dog look like a killer for real. Stop.
I don't even like him, Bridging, bro. I swear.
Now link me Virgin Bling, man. I make sure Bling can go take care of it, man.
Yeah, man. Do
So
that.
alright, yeah. Yeah, man, Pooba, man. I make you get that.
Alright.
Sorry about that, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Ah. So you go Mr. Bean or Mr. What the man name? Mr. Beast?
Mr. Beast, brother, man.
A Beast?
Yeah, man, Mr. Beast.
I no Bean?
No, I no Bean. You can't say Beast, brother. Mr. Bean settings, man. Yeah, man.
So what go?
I have 6 people now, you know.
6 subscribers?
Yeah, man, I have 6, you know. 6, you know, more than nothing. But what you know?
I better go try something else.
Yeah, it's the way they tell me. I feel like I started, you know, but it just not come over yet. I feel like I tell a story and a whole heap of people miss come over there, you know. Yeah, man, a whole heap of people miss come cross, but I work on it, man. Say enough about that right now. But you're a liar, people, I say.
Yo, the situation just went from bad to worse.
Cheese and peace.
Me lie, boy, I say me screwed.
I lie, yeah.
Same thing where you not tell me say.
I lie, yeah, tell.
You reach me near sign.
Brother, me think you would know these things that you say are the smart man. And not teach me about them sitting here.
You hear me I say bling.
Mm.
See? Brother, take your mind off like social media sitting on man.
No,
But nah, you're not going nowhere, dog.
7 people there now.
I said,
7. See, somebody I listen with.
lie. But yeah, me I say, since we can't get around, see, I come up with the next best thing. I think say, me just feel like if we can get the boyfriend out of the picture, girl will come my way. What do you think?
I lie, yeah, tell.
Yeah, you do me alright?
I really that I say? Are you saying what I think you are saying right now? So you say, you want to get rid of the boy out of the picture?
Yeah.
So, here what me can do for you.
The boy has, yo, me tired of him walk around that place. Yo,
Here what me can
I
do
beat
for
up on my chest. Yo,
Come on, beef already.
man, I need more of the food.
Give me a piece of food.
Hey.
I may get rid of him out of the house for you. Oh, that's
Okay.
one.
Okay, alright.
So you say you can put together something. Cause right now, you know, I'm not on a job, so you don't
Yeah.
have to need a look also.
Yeah, man,
So,
broke up all the need, they make him go sit down in the hospital, you know? Yeah,
so
keep
far,
him from...
so far, you want?
Yeah, man, get him from around the girl, man.
Alright.
Me line up something for you. Yeah.
Make me want the food first, though, you know.
You don't get him, man?
Yeah, man, cool. Deal with it, and then we deal with that. Young, yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
cool.
You hear that? I told gangster. You know, want a piece of food, yeah? Yeah, man, see.
Hey boy, no long me there wait. I have gone the house and kept. God! Ah! Hey! No! Hey! Ah! Jesus!
Chris. What is that? Yeah, man.
You know me out a red sausage though?
Oh, so you go get some, man. Just get some. Just get some around red sausage, man. I go up on the road still. And you know the next thing to Chris? When you watch yourself on the road, you know. Other night, some boy try to page me, you know.
Yeah?
To mash up two of them, Chris. One
Yeah?
of them page me with a stone, Chris. Hey, I could have killed the boy, you know. I lucky him, you know. Hey, just watch yourself on the road, because you don't know, yeah, some of the people go down and have a eye on you too, you see me? Yeah, because I don't know where them a page me, boy. I go up on the road.
Hold on.
Bling!
Yo, go for now.
Yeah, brother. Where it go? What go on? Channel star. Man, mash up.
I'm gonna look at the wall of my teeth.
I lie.
What's the wall of my face, brother? I don't know. I'm gonna go chat again.
So you spot him?
I see him. I told you I'm confront the boy. I see him now. I'm gonna have my 2 big stone them. Right for bust at the boy head. And the boy pop off a gun from me. I don't see the boy have a big gun.
You have gun, man.
The man nearly killed me with lick. Every teeth of my front, the whole of my front teeth are gone.
A stone you go there with? No, bro, you can't go there with stone.
What do you mean?
Thinking that borrow something.
No, that was expensive. Somebody just use them have, you see me?
Channel, dog.
My you, I don't know. Brother, you have to go stay far from that one then. I'm a killer.
Yeah.
You see the man could have killed me, brother.
Look like a killer for true, man.
Yo, listen, don't go back to the house. Don't go back to my house. But my business is, brother, go get a lawyer for the case.
Get a lawyer.
Get a lawyer for the case.
Yeah, me will do that, man.
Then I'm tell you. So you go now.
But you know, so me will probably go link me later, Virgin. But, yeah, bro.
So them so old me now.
You know, say, me not really have no cash for me. If you have a credit card machine, my parents scan it, but...
I'm sure me if you drink to the brother.
Straw. Jesus, peace. See a word, man, like me say, when you go to the hospital, you take care of the bill, yeah?
Alright.
Yo, the girl cost me a piece of food, bro.
Just remember, dog, don't go near the man.
Yeah, man, you're still far from him, man. Thanks for your effort. Yeah, Bling. Alright, bro.
Yo, Chris. Let's see you look about nothing this morning, man. I fall off, you know, Chris. Let me down, man. I fall off, Chris, man.
Yo, bro. Bling is for me, I tell you. Be an idiot thing, dog. The man come like a movie in fully. Yeah, bro. Then, bro, I'm tell you, I'm going to the room and I see boxer, I see do-rag, I see trousers. Yo, I don't know what going on, brethren. That be an idiot thing. I forgot to do something. Ah. Hey, Divine.
What's going on?
I'm just gonna tell you, I'm gonna let you know that you have to go leave my place. Plain and brawling. Can't have you here no more.
What?
This is it. You're moving your man, when I go and roll up sitting down there in the room, I don't want to hear it. I have my liar.
Moving my man, what man?
The same man I'm see I come across us every night and every day. In the morning and I'll roll my breakfast. We can't have them something in our place.
Man, that's my brother.
Brother?
Where am I supposed to go? You know my situation. This was my only option.
That's enough for my problem. You have to go figure that out. I'm sorry, but I put you up here, so I never know say it now come to this. But you never say you're a gangster.
What is going on? What's going on, Chris?
See gun? I'll gun and then something in my place.
Chris, hold on. What? Just come back right here. He has a gun because he's a cop.
What?
He's a detective.
What really are going in there, sir?
You tell me what going on.
So hold on, I'm the idiot now.
I don't
No, you don't have to tell me how about it. Because clearly something going on. Look like you're going to take me for a fool. How about this? Some wannabe, what's a Netflix show like this, you know? Somebody need to explain something to me. No. Because something
Chris,
right there, so.
Chris, calm down. Let me explain properly to you.
Okay.
Me is an undercover police officer.
What?
Yes, Chris. The situation here kind of complicated. I mean, understand say you're confused. But the reason why we be you see people coming in and going out is because our mother very sick, and when them come in a prayer service we do.
Prayer meeting?
Yes, our mother very sick and we do some prayer meeting because she don't like the doctor thing and stuff.
So you couldn't tell me that?
Alright, let me explain that. You see why we never tell you? Because everybody will tell them always I say, yo, bring her go doctor, and try make we feel bad about it. But her mama wishes and we are try honor her wishes. She depend on her sick bed and stuff. You know, she have a terrible kidney problem.
So
she just want to go the natural way. She don't believe in the medicines and the doctors and all these things, Chris.
What?
Yes, Chris.
Chano, bro. You think you could go down there and one heap of hanky-panky in that place?
No, Chris, no, man. Nothing like that, man. No, you kick her out, man. We don't really have nowhere to turn to, man. You see me?
Yo, I feel like a fool, yo. My condolences, bro.
Yes, bro.
Divine, I apologize. My
Yeah, man.
condolences.
Yeah, man.
I had no idea.
Sure.
Alright. We can't stay. Let me know if we can do anything for help, yeah?
All right, we'll let you know, Chris. Respect again, man. Respect again.
Yeah, man.
Come
No
on.
problem. Yo, Bling. Bro, for $1 million. You're not gonna believe this. John No Star. Strange would be an understatement for this one here. Not even when I call my brethren Pooba. The man couldn't believe it. But yo, I saw the thing set. But no say if me try to tell you, you wouldn't believe me without seeing what happened. But yeah, man, I saw the thing went down. But you know what? Me and Divine I get closer and closer, you know? Me not moving at the front room yet. But me know say it a forward. And right now we go for our first date, you know? And like me say, we're getting closer and closer. I wanna get close to you.